Today we are going to be showing you how to make your robot move using Choreograph.
First, you double click on the flow diagram panel. Then you go down to Create New Box and select Timeline.
After that, you need to name your timeline something. So we're going to call it waving. Then you need to press OK.
Now you simply connect the noodles to the box and then double click on it.
Then what you need to do is find an interval, so we're going to choose 10 and then right click on it. After that, you select Store Joints in Keyframe, Arms.
Now that you've selected arms, you can click on one of the arms and move it however you want. We're going to change the top right to 88.1. Remember to enter before you finish.
Then you will change the top left to 75.9. And press enter.
Now you change the bottom left to 67.7.
Then what you need to do is change the left to 17.8. Now you need to change the bottom right to 5.7, which it already is, and the right to 0.3, which it already is. So just leave that how it is. Then you exit that screen.
Now you double click on 20 and go down to Store Joints in Keyframe and select Arms.
Then you need to choose your arm, and in the top right box select minus 28.4 and press enter. Then what you need to do is change, close this box, and at 30 you need to right click and do Store Joints in Keyframe, Arms.
Now we need to select the arm again and change the top right to 88.3. Then you click enter and then X.
Then what you need to do is, we are in the waving timeline right now, so what you need to do is go back to the root. Now the waving box will appear again. So now we are in that awkward position, so we need to go to the pose library and then click stand.
Now we go back to Box Library and click on this one here. This means that we can just search up the counter box.
The counter box allows you to repeat any action that you want to.
We then drag the counter box onto the flow diagram panel and connect the noodles. Then we connect the waving box to the counter.
This appears as a figure 8 or infinity symbol. Now what you need to do is change the spanner on the counter box. The initial value is 1, the step value is 1, and the final value is 3.
It doesn't matter how many the final value is. All the final value does is determines how many times the process is going to repeat. Now you click play and you'll see your virtual robot waving.
I hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope you have learnt a lot.
Thank you so much for watching.